Hi everyone, and welcome again to Finance Friday. As we start to run into the end of financial year, it's a common time that those who are self-employed look to lessen their upcoming tax burden. It goes without saying that a tax planning meeting with your accountant or advisor is an integral part of this strategy. And April is actually a very good time to commence this process, as it gives both you and your accountant to not only plan a tax strategy but implement it. Besides the use of superannuation, the purchase of vehicles and other forms of business equipment is a common tax reduction strategy used in the current environment. Historically, this last-minute rush has seen some banks provide up to a third of their entire year's vehicle and asset finance budget in the last 6 weeks of the financial year. Thankfully, a number of banks have looked to alleviate this last-minute rush by introducing what's commonly called Express Equipment Finance. So what is Express Equipment Finance? Essentially, for new vehicle or equipment purchases, an applicant's ability to satisfy the following criteria can often see them pre-approved for amounts of up to $150,000. So what are they? First, an applicant will need to have held an ABN for a minimum of 2 years. Some banks will often want them to also have been GST registered for 2 years. They'll need to either own a home or property of some description, or at least be in the process of paying one off. They won't want to have any outstanding amounts to the ATO. And lastly, and obviously, they'll need to have a fairly clean credit history. As always, Account Plan's here to help you with your vehicle and equipment finance needs, just like we've helped many of our other clients. So I hope you found that interesting and of some benefit leading up to the end of financial year. And until our next edition of Finance Friday, have a great week everyone.